Ever wondered why we, as humans, focus so much on what divides us rather than what unites us? It's perplexing. Our world is diverse, with countless cultures, languages, traditions, and beliefs. These differences often form invisible boundaries, causing segregation in politics. Media and daily interactions amplify these rifts, fostering conflict. Yet, aren't we all human? We share emotions, dreams, and bleed the same color. Welcome to the world of DNA, our genetic code, a common thread that connects us all. It whispers a shared ancestry and humanity. But what if there was something that could remind us of our humanity, something ingrained in us, which transcends all that divide us? The answer is our DNA, the blueprint of life, is a testament to our shared origins. Unraveling the intricate design of our genetic code, we find a story of unity that transcends race, religion, and borders. DNA studies have illuminated a fascinating truth about humanity. Each one of us, no matter where we hail from or the color of our skin, can trace our lineage back to a common ancestor. This shared ancestor, often referred to as mitochondrial Eve, lived in Africa around 200,000 years ago. Just imagine we are all branches of the same tree, growing and diversifying, yet rooted in the same rich soil of human history. To understand how we are connected, let's delve a bit into the concept of genetic markers. These are specific, identifiable sequences of DNA that we inherit from our parents. As they are passed down through generations, they provide a genetic roadmap of our ancestry. From the heart of Africa to the farthest corners of the globe, these markers link us all, creating a chain of genetic continuity. But what does this mean for us as individuals? It means that we are not as different as we might think. Our DNA proves that our differences are merely skin deep. The color of our skin, the texture of our hair, the shape of our eyes, these are superficial variations, mere adaptations to different environments. Fundamentally, we are the same. 99.9% of our genetic material is identical. We are, in essence, one big human family. Yet we often let superficial differences divide us, forgetting the genetic bonds that unite us. It's time we remember that our DNA, this complex and beautiful blueprint of life, celebrates unity in diversity. It tells us that we are all connected, that we share a common origin and a common destiny. So let us embrace this truth, let us cherish our shared heritage, and let us honor our genetic kinship. For our DNA tells a story of unity, not division. Imagine a world where our DNA is the bridge that connects us all. A world where the invisible threads of our genetic makeup weave a tapestry rich with the shared history of humanity. It's a world that may seem far removed from our current reality, often divided by race, nationality, religion, and a myriad of other factors. Yet, deep within ourselves, within each strand of our DNA, lies a story that transcends these man-made boundaries. A story of unity, of shared origins, of common experiences. Science has given us the tools to unlock these stories. Genetic ancestry testing, for instance, is not just about tracing your lineage back to a particular region or group of people. It's about discovering the shared strands of DNA that link you to someone else on the other side of the globe. It's about realizing that we are, in fact, more alike than we are different. Imagine the power of that realization. Imagine the empathy it could foster, the compassion it could inspire. For when we begin to see ourselves in the face of a stranger, we become less likely to harm, to hate, to fear. We become more willing to help, to love, to understand. There are already initiatives that tap into this potential, programs that use DNA testing to connect long-lost relatives, or to bridge the gap between communities divided by history and prejudice. These initiatives are just the beginning. They are the first steps towards a world united by our shared genetic heritage. This knowledge, this understanding of our shared DNA, has the power to transform our world. It has the potential to break down the walls that divide us, and to build bridges of compassion and understanding in their place. It can help us to see the common threads of humanity that run through each and every one of us. Our DNA can be the catalyst for change, for unity. A world united by DNA is not just a dream, it's a possibility within our reach. So let's reach out and grasp it together. Unity isn't just a utopian dream, it's a powerful force that can drive us towards a better future. It's a force that has been proven time and again throughout history. It's the strength that binds us, the common thread that weaves through every human story. Consider the benefits of unity, peace, cooperation, understanding, empathy. When we stand united, we create an environment where peace can thrive, where cooperation is the norm, and where empathy and understanding are the order of the day. Our shared DNA could be the key to unlocking this unity, a unity that transcends race, country, and religion. Let's take a moment to reflect on the power of unity in history. Instances of unity are often the highlights of our past. The end of apartheid in South Africa, for instance, was a victory for unity. It was a moment when people of different races, backgrounds, and beliefs came together to fight against a common enemy, injustice. The result was a peaceful transition to a more equitable society, a testament to the power of unity. Next, consider the eradication of smallpox, a feat achieved not by one nation, but by the collective efforts of countries around the globe. It was unity in action, a worldwide collaboration to defeat a common adversary. That unity, that shared purpose, led to one of the greatest victories in public health. These moments in history are powerful reminders of what we can achieve when we stand united. They serve as a call to action for us to embrace the unity that our shared DNA signifies. Our DNA is more than just a blueprint for our bodies. It's a testament to our shared heritage, a reminder of our common origin. It's a symbol of unity, a sign that we are all part of the same human family. Remember, our DNA unites us, and that unity is our strength. It's not just a mantra, but a truth that we must embrace. For in unity, we find the power to overcome our differences, to build a better world, and to create a future that is worthy of our shared heritage.